the mysterious interstellar wanderer, Oumuamua, whose fleeting visit once captivated our attention as it whisked past our planet, has now reappeared, hurtling towards Earth with unparalleled speed. This sudden reappearance has sent shockwaves through the scientific community, instilling a palpable sense of fear as urgent warnings are sounded about the looming threat of Oumuamua's collision with our planet in a mere 2 weeks' time. The gravity of this situation cannot be overstated, as even the most seasoned scientists find themselves gripped by apprehension, grappling with the realization that there appears to be no feasible method to divert or mitigate this impending catastrophe. Are we teetering on the brink of a calamity of unprecedented proportions? Could this ominous arrival herald the demise of our world as we know it? Join us as we embark on an exploration of the urgent alerts and dire implications surrounding the impending collision with Oumuamua, a cosmic event fraught with uncertainty and existential concern. Unveiling Oumuamua's journey, in 1837, an unidentified entity quietly achieved a significant cosmic feat, traversing 1,000 astronomical units from the Sun, unnoticed by humanity. For over a century, this entity steadily advanced toward Earth, evading detection by scientific instruments. It wasn't until October 19, 2017, when Hawaiian scientist Robert Workey made the groundbreaking discovery. An image captured by the University of Hawaii's astronomical telescope unveiled a faint streak slicing across the sky at a consistent pace, an historic moment marking the first recorded interstellar visitor. Dubbed Oumuamua, meaning messenger from afar, this discovery sparked a global initiative, captivating astronomers worldwide, including those at the SEI Institute, who eagerly monitored its trajectory in hopes of uncovering extraterrestrial phenomena. Some describe Oumuamua as a reddish, cigar-shaped rock, boasting dimensions surpassing those of any known asteroid or comet in our solar system. Despite initial debates over its classification, whether asteroid or comet, Oumuamua's staggering speed of 196,000 miles per hour set it leagues apart from familiar celestial bodies. The object's intermittent brightening and dimming every 7.3 hours hinted at a rotational pattern, challenging assumptions of its composition. Its dark red hue, reminiscent of irradiated moons in the outer solar system, puzzled scientists and fueled speculation about its origins, with some entertaining the notion of extraterrestrial or even Russian origin, given its iron-infused coloration as suggested by Dr. Mek of the University of Hawaii Institute. But amidst these mysteries, one burning question remains: what revelations does Oumuamua hold, and has any satellite succeeded in tracking its trajectory to pinpoint its crashed site? Theories surrounding Oumuamua, numerous conjectures have arisen in attempts to elucidate the enigmatic nature of Oumuamua. Initially, some posited it as a mere rock, while others suggested it might be gas-filled. However, strikingly, certain experts proposed the possibility of Oumuamua being an extraterrestrial craft, sparking speculation about clandestine exploration endeavors. But is this speculation grounded in reality? Let's delve deeper into these theories to unravel more. Dr. Mek proposed that Oumuamua likely originated from a distant star, propelled by the aftermath of a supernova explosion. Elon Musk, on the other hand, theorized that it formed through the collision and fusion of two celestial bodies. Initially, astronomers were intrigued by Oumuamua's apparent trajectory towards Vega, the brightest star in the Lyra constellation, which is known to harbor a debris disk. Calculations suggested it could have traveled to its current location over approximately 600,000 years. However, this hypothesis was challenged by significant deviations observed in its path, leading astronomers to speculate that Oumuamua may have encountered a new star system, evidenced by its trajectory resembling that of nearby stars. Alternatively, it's conceivable that Oumuamua has traversed the galaxy for billions of years. Another notable theory suggests Oumuamua may be a fragment of nitrogen ice, potentially dislodged from a Pluto-like object by a cataclysmic impact. However, this theory necessitates Oumuamua being smaller than initially estimated. Yet another hypothesis proposes that cosmic rays interacting with surface ice in interstellar space release trapped hydrogen gas, resulting in a propulsion mechanism when warmed by the sun. Avi Loeb and Shmuel Bialy from Harvard University speculated that Oumuamua could be a solar-powered spacecraft, citing its unique characteristics as indicative of artificial origin, thereby fueling speculation of extraterrestrial involvement. Despite these theories, Oumuamua's true nature remains elusive, hindered by the absence of definitive images capturing its size and shape. Astronomers rely on brightness and light reflection to estimate its dimensions, discounting the comet theory due to the absence of a tail or coma and attributing its movement to factors beyond gravitational influence. Instead, they proposed a theory involving solar radiation pressure, suggesting Oumuamua could be an extremely thin light sail, akin to technology demonstrated in previous space missions, propelled by photons' kinetic energy. This hypothesis posits that Oumuamua could undertake prolonged interstellar journeys, potentially spanning 16,000 light-years from its origin, further complicating efforts to discern its point of departure within the Milky Way galaxy. As such, uncertainties persist regarding Oumuamua's identity and the entities guiding its trajectory. Where is it headed? Last observed departing our solar system, it now purportedly approaches for an imminent collision. But where? Is Earth its final destination? Before delving further, scientists endeavored to decipher Oumuamua's trajectory, offering insights into why its projected collision with Earth looms just 2 weeks away. Let's explore their discussions and attempts to unravel this mystery. Oumuamua's trajectory. Initially, scientists contemplated dispatching robotic probes propelled by sails toward Oumuamua, yet logistical constraints render this proposition currently unattainable due to the absence of suitable aircraft for such a mission. Nevertheless, prospects for future endeavors, like those envisioned in projects such as Breakthrough Starshot, remain promising. Regardless of whether humanity reaches Oumuamua, its fleeting visit provides invaluable insights for future encounters. Despite taking billions of years to reach its current location, Oumuamua's journey merely constitutes a momentary blip on the cosmic timeline, dwarfed by the Milky Way galaxy's 10-billion-year lifespan. As it traversed an estimated 20,000 star systems, albeit a modest fraction of the galaxy's 200 billion stars, Oumuamua likely catalyzed interstellar mingling, according to Elon Musk and other astronomers, who speculate on its rapid trajectory toward Earth. Their predictions even pinpoint its potential entry into the Kuiper Belt this year, though Oumuamua's whereabouts remain elusive. Scientists term its trajectory unconventional, noting notable non-gravitational accelerations indicative of forces beyond gravitational influence. Dr. Mech outlined 6 potential causes, with the first hypothesis focusing on cometary outgassing, a phenomenon commonly observed in comets as surface ice sublimates upon solar approach, altering speed and rotation. Despite expectations of gas emissions influencing Oumuamua's velocity, efforts to detect significant gas emissions like CN gas have proven fruitless, challenging assumptions about its comet-like nature. Observations with the Spitzer Space Telescope aimed to discern Oumuamua's thermal characteristics yielded inconclusive results, suggesting a brightness potentially exceeding expectations if its thermal behavior mimics that of a comet. Reflectivity measurements offer insights into its size, composition, and shape, yet Oumuamua's enigmatic identity persists despite numerous theories and propositions. What further revelations lie ahead regarding Oumuamua? Could it pose an unforeseen threat to Earth in just 2 weeks? Beyond your imagination, initially classified as an asteroid, then later considered a comet, and even speculated as a potential alien spacecraft by some, Oumuamua's orbit, described as hyperbolic, indicated its transient nature in our solar system. However, a crucial mystery surrounds its acceleration, which defies conventional gravitational explanations. Despite cruising at speeds far surpassing those of typical solar system comets, Oumuamua displayed no characteristic tail associated with cometary outgassing. Numerous attempts to explain its acceleration have fallen short, prompting a novel theory proposed by Jennifer Bugner and Darrell Seligman. Their hypothesis suggests a volatile material, potentially hydrogen, nitrogen, and carbon monoxide, contributing to outgassing, shedding new light on Oumuamua's perplexing behavior. However, these explanations encounter theoretical challenges. Seligman pointed out that hydrogen, for instance, would necessitate extremely frigid temperatures to solidify into objects the size of Oumuamua, conditions not typically found within the dense molecular clouds where such objects originate. Furthermore, nitrogen scarcity across the Milky Way raises doubts about its potential role in accounting for the anticipated abundance of similar bodies in the galaxy. In light of these constraints, Seligman and Bugner posit that Oumuamua's chemistry may not be as extraordinary as previously assumed. Instead, they propose that the object underwent external processes beyond the solar system, not observable through our observations of domestic comets. A comet traversing the interstellar medium undergoes significant exposure to cosmic radiation, leading to the formation of hydrogen, they suggest. Now, we can only wait for further research on the topic. Till then, keep calm. Don't live with the fear of Oumuamua suddenly landing on your roof. Thanks for watching another episode. While you're still here, check out the other videos you see on your screen.